Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I'll be sharing 10 sentences about the capsicum. Number 1. Capsicum is a fruit but it is often treated as a vegetable. Number 2. It is used in many dishes. Number 3. Capsicum is rich in vitamin C. Number 4. It is often used in salads. Number 5. Capsicum comes in different colors like green, red and yellow. Number 6. They are a versatile ingredient in cooking. Number 7. They have a sweet and crunchy taste. Number 8. Capsicum is low in calories. Number 9. It is a good source of antioxidants. Number 10. Capsicum plants can grow in many climates. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.